All right, so what we're doing right now is we're trying to get these geese untangled. As they struggle, as soon as the net drops, they struggle. And the more they struggle, the more they get tangled up, which is a good thing for us because we don't want any to get loose. We're at an old folks home, and if you could see the ground, it is just covered in goose crap, covered. And a few geese is okay, but 50 geese is just too many for one location, especially a location like this. So we're just trying to get them untangled. And these are some very strong birds, so as soon as we get his wing untangled, I'll show you how proper way to hold a goose. So these geese are very powerful birds, so I've got his wings in tight and I've got his feet, so he really can't go anywhere. He's not happy with me right now, but he doesn't really know what's going on. And these geese are, you know, like I said, there's just too many of them out here, and we have a permit with Florida Fish and Wildlife to manage these birds. That's what we're doing. We're managing. Stop it. Stop it. All right.
1, 2, 3, go.
We're gonna name this one Pitbull. Hey, look.
You won.
Oh, Pitbull.
You can do that. You got it.
Drop it. Yeah, I know. They kind of, I didn't really, I was paying attention. Was that you?
So you can't tell the difference. Wow.
1, 2, 3, go.
All right.
All right. Mission accomplished.
All right, so we've got 10 geese successfully removed, and none of them are hurt. They're all in good shape, so that's always a plus. And we've got a few more geese, so we're gonna reset this net and try to get the remaining geese. This is a retirement community, so these residents are gonna be thrilled to have these geese out of here. They're a very aggressive bird, so we've had some of them chasing some of the residents before. There's poop absolutely everywhere. These geese are very, very messy, so, and they're also very territorial. So the local native wildlife is gonna be, have a lot less pressure going on, and they do serve a purpose, but you know, there's just too many of them here.